Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, tap on the More icon right here to open the menu, scroll down and tap on the Garmin devices. Now select your Forerunner 945. On this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on it. Come on. Okay, then tap on Remove Device and tap on Remove. Then tap on the Settings icon. It will redirect you to the settings, like this. Tap right here to go back to the main page of settings. Tap on Bluetooth. Here find the Forerunner 945 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device. And once you're done, you can close the settings and close the app. And at this point, your watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.